Introducing ST3 series earth clamps. Model ST3B6RL. CE certified. EN 60974-13. 100% made in India. ISI marked. Jaw opening of up to 100 mm. Holds plate depth up to 60 mm. 360-degree free revolving. Up to 1200 amps capacity. Cable capacity up to 120 mm square. Some of the salient features include heavy-duty body for greater conductivity, designed especially for the MIG welding process. C-type jaws are adjusted by screw lever. Powerful swivel pad allows for low-resistance ground connections. High-grade copper alloy. Large contact surface area. Heavy-duty T-spindle. High clamping pressure force connection ensure optimal current transfer. Rugged, sturdy, and durable design. Low maintenance and easy to use. Optimal current transfer. Suitable for lug connection. Oxidation resistant. Screw-on type clamping. Safe and quick connection.